Hi, parents. We're the KidScents Essential Oil Super Squad, offering natural solutions that help kids tackle everyday problems. I'm KidPower, here to introduce the gang. This is GeneYus.
My aroma helps create an atmosphere of creativity and alertness, which means I'm fantastic during homework time.
Now, here's my buddy SleepyIze. Like all kids, he needs his rest. But don't get too close. It's contagious. He's great at creating a calm, restful atmosphere. This is TummyJize, and he has an aroma that will naturally help comfort when tummy troubles arise.
What?
Incredible victory, Owie! How did you pull it off?
Sometimes you gotta take risks and lay it all on the line. Luckily, I got my teammates, and I got this to soothe minor skin irritations. #1, woo!
Incredible! And just as incredible is SleepyIze.
Oh, I have the perfect thing to help. It has my natural soothing aroma.
And there you have it, folks, the KidScents Squad. Okay, GeneYus, we've got to get going. We're gonna be late.
I can't do it.
That's why I'm here, to inspire you, give you courage. It's what I do. You can do this. Ready, set, jump. And remember, parents, we are great travelers, so don't hesitate to send us to school or bring us along wherever you go. Bye.